we're gonna do a little courtyard, Batega. I'll explain it in a moment, but it's gonna be down that way. Before we even go down, we have this crowded area all the way in here. Goes all the way to Sao Paulo ruins, which is all the way down that way. So we're gonna check out our courtyard, and then we're gonna go into this big crowd and just kind of show you what a courtyard is like and transition to the main pedestrian tourist drag right in here as well. So kind of interesting little dynamic. Okay, stay tuned. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, Batega Courtyard. So we kind of have all this kind of, oh, he's got YouTube of just down the street. Okay, so we have this busy area, but we're actually going to do the transition and just show you the courtyard and how quiet it is in there. And then we're going to come back out and we'll show you all the loudness. So let's go into our courtyard. So yeah, these little courtyards are really quiet. So you can see hear the loudness of the people behind us, right? And then you come in here, got some artwork in case tourists do come in here. I've had that as a backdrop myself before. This particular courtyard is quite small. Some of them can be quite large. This little Mario Brothers theme in here. Then this apartment actually has a fence around it. Yeah, and then I guess this one kind of goes into somebody's yard or backyard. That one looks kind of condemned. And yeah, and this one, it looks like they have like a little outside component, so they can put that outside. And then this one, there's a business right next to it as well. So they got a chair and a business. Maybe they, I don't know. I guess there's a lot of different gates going on in here. So this patio is quite small. Let's just check this out real quick. I don't see any figurines or anything like that. Okay, so that's if we look up, and we're still in our courtyard. And there are people that live here, so just a few minutes ago people were walking by. I don't think I caught that on film. I was doing the transition part. So let's walk into the fray of all the many people right on the other side. And now you can capture the whole feeling of this. So many people. It's like most of them are getting something right here. A lot of people are getting the ice cream. Then we come out into another little courtyard. I'm just going to give you a little context of this patio. So the patio is, somebody was in there that's kind of quiet. Actually, it was not too, it's so loud in the streets today. But this one goes up to Mont Fortress, and this is also like a kind of a little bit of a plaza itself, but I don't think it has the plaza label. And we're on Courtyard Street. So this just kind of give you a little bit of a feeling, put some context to that courtyard. Super busy, pretty much everywhere today, December 31st. Another courtyard. That's our target courtyard. And that way, nice yellow building right next to it. You wouldn't think that that yellow building with the balconies would go to the back side to that. over here. So it's gonna fade over this way. Okay. I guess we got a shrine over here as well. So that yellow building is where the let's come around this way. That yellow building is our target street. So that was where we were behind a little moment ago. This is kind of do a little bit of circular. Let's see if we can kind of angle. This way. I think we're going to get a little bit of a view of Sao Paulo ruins in a moment. Let me just see if we can navigate the crowds. So yeah, way down there through the buildings you can see Sao Paulo ruins. It's a little too crowded to go all the way up, so I'm just going to come back down. Wow, it's like really popular today. So anyways, that was our courtyard. People everywhere today. Let's just navigate back. So yeah, Macau is a big trend. There's a lot of quiet places and a lot of crowded places, and this is one of the crowded ones. And we're just gonna fade back into our alley. So we'll end I'll do a transition. We'll do our ending spot back here. So now we're back in our little alley. It's usually kind of quiet when you get in these alleys, but you can still hear the crowds back there. And we're gonna end right there, Macau. A little slice of a Macau courtyard for you. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.